Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that's been intriguing many of us: how to make any woman fall in love with you. Now, before we start, let me make one thing clear. This is not about manipulation or trickery. It's about understanding the human psyche and using that knowledge to foster a genuine connection. So, buckle up and let's get started. First things first, it's crucial to understand that every woman is unique. What might work for one might not work for another. However, there are certain universal principles that can help you create a connection with any woman. One of the most important aspects is communication. It's not just about what you say, but also about how you say it. Women appreciate a man who is open, honest, and respectful in his communication. Be sure to listen actively, ask questions, and show genuine interest in her life. Another key factor is confidence. Women are attracted to men who are confident in themselves. It's not about being arrogant or overbearing, but about being comfortable in your own skin. Show her that you're a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it. Consistency is also important. Women appreciate a man who is consistent in his actions and words. If you say you're going to do something, follow through. If you say you're going to be there for her, be there. Consistency builds trust and respect. Now, let's talk about the art of flirting. Flirting is a fun and playful way to show interest in someone. It's about being lighthearted, engaging, and making her feel special. Remember, flirting is not about making her feel uncomfortable or pressured. It's about creating a fun and comfortable atmosphere. Also, remember that actions speak louder than words. Show her that you're interested in her by making an effort to spend time together. Plan dates that are thoughtful and tailored to her interests. Show her that you're willing to put in the effort to make her happy. Another important aspect is being a good listener. Women appreciate a man who is attentive and interested in what she has to say. Show her that you're not just interested in her physically, but also in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Finally, don't forget to show her that you're a man who values her. Respect her boundaries, listen to her, and make her feel valued. A woman who feels respected and valued is more likely to fall in love with you. Remember, it's not about trying to change who you are, but about understanding what makes you attractive and using that to your advantage. So, go out there, be yourself, and make her fall in love with you. That's all for today, folks. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Until next time, keep spreading love and positivity.